it's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind.
Hello, beautiful people. Hello, besties. How's everybody feeling? Everybody feeling good? I hope everybody's feeling good. I got a tiny grocery haul for y'all. Just tiny, not nothing big. I had to do a little grocery shopping because we have now begun our 40-day fast. So, and we do our fast in increments and stages. So, the first 10 days of the fast is no fried foods. So, of course, y'all saw my other haul, I got tons of fried stuff, but I had to go back out and get some things that were not fried. So, I got 4 bags of Cheetos cheese puffs. These are not fried, they are baked. I got 2 bags of the cheddar and sour cream. 2 bags of the baked barbecue. And 1 bag of the crunchy cheese. These are all baked, and you can tell the difference when you eat a baked potato chip as opposed to a fried potato chip. 2 things of the extra sweet tea, Pure Life Leaf for my husband. 2 Sunny D's for the kids. Bacon Caesar salad kit. I got 2 of those for lunches. A thing of the Go-Gurts. Is there anything else back there? Oh, almost forgot it. And some mayonnaise for sandwiches. A 32 count Yoo-hoo. The kids actually liked it, so I figured I'd get it again so they'd have some chocolate milk for breakfast or chocolate drink. 2 things of apple juice, grapes, King's Hawaiian rolls, cut up bell pepper, cut up red onion, purple onion, whichever one you want to call it. 2 things of strawberries, Ritz cheese bites and peanut butter bites, Cheez-It crackers multi-pack, Yo Crunch yogurt. I also picked up 2 of these Kellogg's Fruit Loops, basically meal replacements. The kids actually liked it, so that's why I got that for them. I also picked up 4 cases of Kool-Aid Jammers and 2 cases of water, which is in the living room. So that's it for my haul. That's everything, y'all. Now it's time to put it all away.
When you drop that bomb, girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Sunlight that always stays, dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside, where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Sunlight that always stays in and by the waterway. It's that sweet life, sweet life, sweet life. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. I never wanna go home, go home. I'm living in Stockholm, Stockholm. Yeah. Shut up, I got the bed, the bed. Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Yeah. Get like this. Yeah. Get like this. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually